welcome back, and today we have Cadbury Screme egg. I just picked this up at a local Walmart today, and looks like they just came out, and this is a 5-pack of the eggs. These were kind of expensive. I was kind of surprised. This 5-pack retailed for $3.28. So here's a close-up of the front of the box. There's the rabbit. He's all dressed up in his Halloween hat. And just a typical box there. So let's open it up and see what the packaging inside looks like. Okay, it looks like this year they're all designed the same. There's the egg there. Kind of in a purple and black, the splash of green color. I'm actually pretty excited these have come out for Halloween because I do like these cream eggs around Easter time, and that's the only time you can get them. Let's take a look inside. Now there's a definite white part and a definite green part. Very similar to the Easter ones in that there's a white and a yellow. Here's what it looks like inside. Very, very similar to the Easter ones. Except for the yellow, there's the green. So let's test it. Very good. Tastes exactly just like the Easter ones. Maybe even a little better. Very sweet, but if you're a fan of these Cadbury eggs, you're definitely going to like the Halloween ones. So let me know if you tried these this Halloween in the comments box. And thanks for watching.